Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a high protein vegetarian sandwich recipe ideal to include in your weight loss journey. This video is available in English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Bengali. You can change the audio language by going to the settings gear icon and clicking auto track to choose your preferred language. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my heavy bottomed kadai with 2 teaspoons wood pressed groundnut oil, also known as peanut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutter, reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped or as needed. Give it a good stir. Allow the onions to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion is transparent, I am grating in a small piece of ginger and give it a good stir. If you add grated ginger towards the beginning, the ginger will stick to the pan. It's always ideal to add grated ginger or ginger paste after the onions are transparent. Next, I'm adding in 1 medium-sized carrot grated, 1 tomato chopped, pink Himalayan salt as needed, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder or as needed, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed. And I'm giving this all a good mix. Add in a splash of water, cover and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Couple of minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir. Into this I'm adding in 3 tablespoons sattu. Sattu is made from roasted Bengal gram. It is high in fiber and protein. It's highly nutritious and it's one of the best source of protein. Give it a good stir. Once nicely mixed, turn off the flame. To make this more nutrient rich, I am adding in some fresh moringa leaves. Now if you don't have moringa leaves at hand, you can use any green leafy vegetable of your choice. You can also use coriander leaves in this recipe. I am roughly tearing the moringa leaves and adding in and give it a good stir. The moringa leaves will wilt with the residue heat of the pan. Cover and allow it to rest for a couple of minutes. Couple of minutes later, open the lid, squeeze in half a lemon and give it a good mix. At this stage, you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. And my high protein sattu sandwich filling is ready. With this filling, you can make 3 sandwiches. To make the sandwich, I am using 2 bread slices and I am spreading the sandwich filling over the bread slice. Spread the filling with a spoon all over the bread slice. Cover it with the other slice. Once the sandwich is done, I like to slice it just before serving. And my protein rich sandwich is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy high protein sandwich recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.